What's up, guys? Today I've got an upper body movement where we're going to work on restoring movement to our neck and to our shoulder blades so we can feel better and perform better. Be consistent with this kind of thing and add it into your morning movement if you have time, and continue to do it each and every day. All right, guys, here we go. So we're going to start on our knees, just like so, and you can, I don't really care what position you take. Sit nice and tall, shoulders are back, breathe into your belly, stabilize everything but the neck. And what we're going to do is drive your chin down to your chest. Scrape the chin to one side of the shoulder blade, keeping your shoulders back. Drop that ear back into the left. Chin goes up to the sky. Keep your jaw closed. Ear goes back into the right. Shoulder stay back. Keep checking in with yourself. Breathe into your belly. Ear goes down to the side. Chin goes down to the shoulder or to the collarbone. And reverse directions. Scrape that chin, drive the ear, chin goes up, shoulders, ribs, ear, chin to shoulder, and down. Keep going. Go at your pace. We're going to go 3 each direction. You're thinking as big of a circle as you can make with your chin. One more each. Check yourself in the mirror to make sure your shoulders aren't moving to the side as you try to get more range of motion within that neck. I'll have to watch the video to see how I'm doing today. Nice work. Okay, now I just want you on your butt. Give your ankles a little rest. You can stay on your knees though. That's just fine. Now what I want to do is from here, I'm going to reach out. We're going to work on moving the scapula, the shoulder blades, in as big a range of motion as we can now. So I'll show you from a couple different angles. So we'll go 3 circles one direction, 3 circles another direction, then we'll put our arms in different positions. So scaps, your shoulder blades are going to go up into your ears. Nothing's moving. Keep your arms locked out, but you're trying to move from your shoulder blades. Reach forward, complete that circle coming forward, then drive your shoulders up into your ears, then pack your scaps down and back. One more big old circle. Good, reverse the direction. Nice work. Good, okay, now we're gonna go arms out to the side like a T. And so now we're going to do the exact same thing. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. You're putting your arms out to the side, and we're going to take a big circle with our shoulder blades going forward, and then you'll reverse the direction and do it the other way. Good, reverse the direction, other side, other way rather. As much range of motion as you can go. This should be easier now as you're being able to connect to those muscles and the tissues around the shoulder blades. Nice, we're gonna restore some strength into it, so we're gonna add a little load. Now what I want you to do is either in a push-up position and or quadruped. Quadruped's a little bit more difficult, challenges the rest of the body a little bit more. I want you to push your shoulder blades apart and then pull yourself down, shoulder blades together. Push your shoulder blades apart, shoulder blades together. Four more. Keep those elbows locked out. Nothing moves but the shoulder blades. Nice work, guys. All right, those are 3 different movements that you can do to restore some movement into your upper body, feel better, have better posture, and just be killers. All right, guys, have a great day.